This is the elevator at East Liberty Place North in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a thyssenkrupp Signa 4 elevator from 2010. And Oildraulic, I believe. Case fire your stairs. Go up to 4. Case fire nice elevators. Whoa. This elevator sadly is not in the best shape. That's a very annoying buzz. Here at 4. Go back down to 1. Reading your phone. It's your pretty basic thyssenkrupp Marshall cab. That's lovely, as this building is only about 7 years old. Fake wooden cab. Here are your buttons. thyssenkrupp Signa 4, I believe this is Oildraulic. Elevator 1, fire service and key switches. Here back on 1. Pretty far distances between the floors. The lockouts, 2 and 3 look like they're locked. 4 is obviously open. There it closes, and that's going to be it.